SoFi Technology, ticker symbol SoFi, one of the most under the radar stocks in the market. Despite being a smaller company, SoFi has carved out a niche in the financial technology sector and is now poised to see a significant growth. Their innovative products like student loan refinancing and wealth management services, SoFi has attracted a huge customer base that will just continue to grow. With the online personal finance services changing the consumer lending marketplace, SoFi is a great example that digital banking is on the rise. SoFi's high interest checking and savings had an overwhelming response with about 480,000 new customers joining during the fourth quarter of 2022, bringing the total membership up to 5.2 million, which represents a 51% growth from the previous year. SoFi also increased net revenue by 60%, reaching 1.6 billion. SoFi's customer base drove deposits a total above $7.3 billion, increasing net interest margin while reducing its cost of funding for its loans. SoFi CEO has confirmed that the online bank will reach GAAP profitability by Q4 2023. Despite company shares being down 35% in the past year, SoFi still remains one of the front runners for digital banking and a strong contender to acquire a larger stake in the multi-trillion-dollar financial service industry.